Okay, so hi, I'm Annette. I'm the owner of Ancient Language. We are a yoga-minded clothing brand, and we sell wholesale and also create custom graphics along that ride with the merchandising to make your purchasing seamless as a retail buyer. So today I'm gonna pop on, put my little glasses on here, and I'm gonna share my screen. And I'm going to show you some things as we pop over here. So we are now jumping into my art library. So first I want to show a really simple design that's done really well. We can put your studio name here. We could also put things like love your life, remember to breathe, those kinds of things along here, or your name. This symbol can change, but this is a really simple, pretty piece that we can reinterpret for your spa. Here's another one that's more vintage looking with some grunge brushes on here to make the ink a little more broken up. That can be really pretty, reinterpreted there as well. This one is really good too. So let's see which one looks better. There. So this one we can use your words, or we've been using these words here with the moon and stars, and then incorporating your name in a circle. Really nice, not a heavy ink graphic. So that can be used on tissue weight tees, tank tops. Could look really good at like a 6-inch size, or you could do it as big as 10 or 11 inches. Then there's some other pieces of art we have in here. This one's really fun. So this is a lotus with some paisley design in here. Could have an Om and then your name can go there, or like a word or concept you love, like meditate or bliss. So it's really nice because the name is more subtle. And again, this could be about 9 or 10 inches. I wouldn't go too small with this graphic just because it depends on what you're putting in the middle. This is a really fun piece of art too. So definitely could put the name of your studio. I love this vintage look. It's kind of like a True Religion t-shirt type vibe. And just sticking with one color is really nice because your minimums will be much lower. So we can put your location, when you were established, your name. These symbols I can change out. These are really, have been really nice performing yoga symbols to put in here. Then there are, let's see what else I wanted to show you today. This one's done really well as well. So very simple, and then just your name, but it definitely, the technique I used of drawing this is, so it almost looks like a, what's the word I'm looking for? Like a linoleum block stamp, which used to be the way we used to print fabric. So that's kind of cool. I like that one. But again, you could do your name, you can curve it. We can put words, you can put poetry, a chant, Sanskrit. This one's a little more outdoorsy, but this is really nice. So same kind of concept as previous. But you could show an activity. It could be hiking, canoeing, skiing, could be outdoor yoga. But if you've got like an area where you've got trees and hiking, that can be really fun. And in here, we put a generic star in here just to add a little bit of sass. And again, this is a vintage looking graphic as well. So those have all done really, really well. I think that's the ones I want to show today. Let me have a look. I think so. This is one I started. I'm just going to jump to this one, but I really think this is cool. So again, another vintage design. Says be your own guru. It could say different things though, but I thought it was kind of cool. So that's one to think about. And other ones that really would work well. There's so many things to look at. It's kind of wild. This was really fun too. Let me see. Yeah. So this one has a symbol in the middle. This is for an anniversary shirt for Marian Yoga Loft in Massachusetts. So she wanted the 15th anniversary really bold. Her elephant was a symbol that they really love. Elephants sell really well in the yoga world as far as the symbol goes. So, excuse me, that could be really nice. I don't know for running it like year round if I put that bold of writing, but it's fun. And this was about a 10-inch print. So I'm going to stop there, I think. Let me see. It's another one that kind of caught my eye. So this one, this one's going to be a little confusing. This is for Pure Yoga in New York. And this is like Ganesh layered behind a name or a message. I really like this. I like that it sits asymmetrically on the shirt. That can be really beautiful. So it's got a hint of subtlety and then some bold. And you can put whatever words you want. This was another concept I was working on with the Ganesh and reversing it out. Here it is executed on a shirt. A lot of ink is used when you reverse things out, but it can be really fun. So I think we will pause there. Yeah. Oh, this was cute too. This is kind of simple, but this was cute. So keywords you want, and then a script, kind of a signature for the name of your place is really, really cute. This one's done really well also. Very simple with your name, but great if you teach meditation, yoga, and you're trying to embrace that calm. So there you go. So that's some things for you to look through and check out and get back to me. If you're interested in customizing any of those, you can reach me a multitude of different ways. You can email me at ancientlanguageinc@gmail.com. You can also, if you haven't registered and worked with me before, I'd love to meet you and see what you're all about and what your customers would love. And if we're a good match for me to create for you, you could register your store on my website. It's ancientlanguage97.com. And I've been in business 30 years, so I'm considered an expert in merchandising for yoga studios and spas and retreat centers and places that really move my heart because they're developing the human spirit and helping people evolve into a better place, no matter what they're given in life to deal with. And I like supporting those organizations with my craft. You can also call me. I'm at 413-464-4649. We can set up a time to kind of dig deep into what you would like and what you've been dreaming of creating, and I'll make it happen. So we'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much.